Now going to question number 5. Here we have a vocab or word choice question. So for these types of questions, you want to invent your own word to fill the space before you look at the answer choices. By the way, to expand your vocab for the SAT, you can go to our website and click on vocab. So here let's read so we can invent our own word. Research conducted by this scientist suggests that the moon's surface may not accurately blank early impact events. When the moon was still forming, its surface was softer, and asteroid or meteoroid impacts would have left less of an impression. Thus, evidence of early impacts may no longer be present. So what we're seeing is a story about how, at some point, the surface of the moon was softer, and asteroid impacts left less of an impression. So the evidence of the impacts was not going to be present. So in my own words, I might say that the moon's surface may not accurately show early impact events. So let's start looking at the answers. A says reflect. To reflect something is to show it. That's kind of a professional way of saying show. So for instance, the data doesn't reflect the dynamics involved. So I like that one. B, receive is totally different than to show or reflect. Evaluate is a whole different thing. If you're evaluating something, you're kind of judging it, which is different than showing evidence of something. And mimicking is to imitate. So maybe we might consider that a good second answer or a good wrong answer, if you will. But here, this is not saying to kind of show evidence that something happened, which is what we're looking for. So the answer for 5 is A.